Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set double tap to turn on or wake up your screen in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, I lock my phone, and if you double tap when your phone screen is locked, that is if you double tap over the locked screen like this, your phone screen will turn on automatically. As of now, this feature is not enabled. So how to do it? Let's learn. Just go to the settings of your phone first. First go to the settings. Yes. And here go to shortcuts and accessibility. Go to shortcuts and accessibility. Here. Now go to smart motion. Click on smart motion here. And here you will have smart motion on off. Just click on that. Now you will have the option called double tap to wake, the second option. Just turn on this button. Yes, when your phone screen is off, you can easily double tap on your screen to turn it on. Okay, see how it occurs. Okay, I just locked my screen and I double tap on the locked screen. See here. Yes, once again I do it. See. Yes, so in this way you can easily wake up your screen when your phone screen is already turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily set up double tap to turn on screen when your phone screen is off. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.